Hey everyone, stop guessing when you edit AI images. If you've ever ruined a perfect image just to fix one tiny detail, this trick will change the way you edit forever. Today, I'm going to show you a hidden JSON method that gives you full control over every element in your image while keeping the original style 100% consistent. And the best part? We're going to do it using Google Gemini and its upgraded Gemini Nano Banana 2 model. Step 1. Extract the image DNA. First, upload your image in Gemini. In the prompt box, type, extract all the information from this image and convert it into structured JSON. Then click Send. What Gemini does next is incredible. It converts the entire image into structured code. Inside this JSON file, you'll find image style, colors, objects, positions, even the spatial structure of the image. This JSON file is basically the DNA of your image. Step 2, modify the image using JSON. Now upload the same image again. In the prompt box, type, modify the image based on the following JSON data. Then copy the JSON block Gemini generated earlier and paste it under the prompt. Now you're essentially editing the source code of the image. Example 1, the change object colors. Let's say you want to change a pillow color. Inside the JSON file, find the object called pillow. Look for the property that says mustard yellow. Change it to red. Then select Create Images and hit Submit. Just like that, boom. The pillow turns red. And the best part, everything else stays exactly the same. Same structure, same style, same resolution. Example 2, change clothing colors. You can also edit people in the image. For example, if you want to change a female character's clothing color, find the female object in the JSON. Locate the clothing property that says lavender color. Simply change it to orange. Upload the same image again. Paste the modified JSON and submit. And there you go. Perfectly edited image with zero distortion. Once you truly understand JSON, you can take AI image editing to a whole new level. If you know any other cool AI tricks, drop them in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe because I'll keep sharing more practical AI hacks just like this. Thanks for watching.